Hey everybody, taking a quick break from my mowing. Christ, I look like a homeless person. I told my wife I need a haircut this weekend. That's it. I mean, people are going to stop respecting me if I, can't start looking respectable. But anyways, that's not what I came here to tell you. I have a low float China play. BTOG is the symbol. Closed at $1.70. I'll be honest, I bought $1.80 after hours. It did have a move a little over $2 and came back. I think it's right in the 177 range right now. Um, it's these small floats are getting crazy, and hats off to the bull run on X. He's been highlighting some of these, and they've had some incredible runs. And quite honestly, he did mention this one. It is early. So that's why I want to put a video out now. It hasn't had the big run like some of the other ones that he's mentioned. So, to kick it off, the net cash per share is $13.04. I mean, that's insane. It's, there's nothing wrong with a lot of these China stocks that, they say, well, they have to do reverse splits. Well, yeah, you do what you have to do to stay, on NASDAQ and whatnot. But, once they do that and the float gets small, now things start cooking, and you've seen a lot of these plays really jump and they stay high. It's like, it's not like they, start as $1.70 here, runs up to $3, and then, 2 days later it's, under 170 again. No, they start getting their traction and they start getting the, foot in the door. So let's get to the nuts and bolts of it, as I say. The 20-day moving average is at 185, and the 50 is at 215. So in a nutshell, you get this above 215 on a normal trading day and with some volume, and you start building a base. This has a lot of room to go. The 20-day moving average post-split, granted, basically has pushed this down from the $50 range. So once it starts breaking above these moving averages, they can really go. And that's why I have a lot of hope for this one. Take a peek at it. Let me know what you think. Hopefully by Saturday, Sunday, this mop starts getting cleaned up, and I get a little shave, and I start looking like somebody that you can trust in the stock market, not a bum off the street per se. So shout out to Dave, one of my, outside of my wife, one of my top followers on my YouTube channel. I appreciate it, and I think he might have grabbed some shares at this range too. So best of trading to you, and I'll see you in the morning with some more updates. Take care.